The BAKON BK5600S anti-static ion fan is built to recognized electrostatic control standards, making it a dependable choice for electronics assembly benches and laboratories. It neutralizes surface charges very quickly while drawing relatively little power, which is ideal for continuous operation in production environments. The integrated cleaning mechanism for the ion needles makes routine maintenance straightforward, helping the fan maintain consistent performance over time. A sturdy metal front grille helps keep the ion balance stable and uniform across the airflow, reducing hotspots of residual charge on sensitive components. Its ionized airflow covers a broad working area with a gentle, diffuse breeze that is comfortable for operators yet effective at draining static from tools and parts. The grounded power connection and compatibility with common United States mains voltage make it easy to integrate safely into existing electrostatic discharge control setups.